Hi, so welcome to your geometric jewellery box of fun. In this kit you basically can get really creative and make whatever you like. So I'm just going to go through some of the top tips for using these findings here, and then afterwards I'll add a few pictures of some potential designs that you could do. But after that you're free to create whatever you like. So you will need some small pliers, and that's all. And then there's a few things I want to show you. So on these kind of classic ear hooks, you can see they've got this circular piece here down towards the bit that goes through the ear, and that bit of wire is not connected. It's the end. So the way that you open them, you don't pull it away, you kind of raise it up. So you get it and you raise it. So can you see that I've kind of gone in just about a 30-degree angle? I'm just lifting it up, and that's the way that you'd add any bits. So if you wanted just some small discreet earrings, you can literally just pop them on. Now the thing to note is obviously that's the way it goes into your ear, so you would just need to make sure that you added the piece in the correct way, and then when you are happy with the look, you would then that's right, yeah. And then you would just close it again. So just lower it, and you really want it to be nice and closed so that that doesn't fall off. So that is literally how easy a design can be. You've got them in gold and in silver. So some other clasps. These are the hoops that go through your ear. This part here goes through your ear. So again, you can just literally, I'll go a bit wild, add a decoration to those. Those are really, you don't even need the pliers for those. So that's that one. And these little bars in here are little extenders. They're really nice if you want to have a drop earring. And in this one here, let me just find a nice colour. You've got studs, and then you've also got the little rubber backs that you can use to keep them onto your ear. Now, you've currently got a hole and a hole, so obviously you need to connect those two things. So again, in here we've got some jump rings, and they just operate exactly the same way as the earring clasp, is that you just raise it towards you. Just got to grab it with your other hand. Sometimes I've got quite strong hands, so I find that quite easy, but sometimes people either need another pair of pliers or just something to grip it inside for a moment just whilst they turn that. I kind of forget because I've been doing this for years, so my hands are pretty strong now. So what I've done there is I've just looped it through the hole in the earring. I'm then going to do the same. So you see I'm just holding the piece. I've been doing some gardening, sorry. Got dirty nails, bad for videos. And then I'm just closing it up and just pushing them together so that that loop is fully closed. So then, as you can see, I've got an earring with a drop, and then I just need to actually get another one because I need another one at the bottom to add my decoration. So I'm just looking for the opening. There you go. There you go. So just opening that one, keeping it held on the one half there, and then threading that through, and then choosing the decoration that you like. I'm just going to go green for that one. Green and gold looks nice. Yeah, so it's great. So the kit has enough for you to make 13 pairs of earrings. You can combine this with the bars. You could even combine the loops with the bars. Oh, I haven't shown you these. These are amazing. These are really lovely. So these are long loops, so this would go through the ear. So the half the earring is already there, and it has a loop already. So again, you just grab it, raise it, and let's try one of these this time. Thread that on, bit of an Art Deco fan there, and there you go. That would be the look of that earring. That's gorgeous, isn't it? Alright, so yeah, it really wouldn't take that long, but if you get some nice bits of card, pierce some holes in there, and then display it, imagine what fancy gifts it would look for your friends. So yeah, enjoy, and like I said, I'll add some pictures of different designs so you can get inspired. But good luck and enjoy, and hope to craft with you soon.